You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. On this episode of Back to Basics, we're going to be removing the wing mirrors from this Mark 2.5, which is the same as a Mark II. Because most of these wing mirrors are electric on the 2s and the 2.5s, we need to strip out all the door card first. So go check out my previous video on how to remove the door cards. With the door card out of the way, we now need to remove the speaker, and that is just held in with 4 Phillips screws. Now this speaker surround is slightly stuck on, so it will take a little bit of prying to get that away from the door. Now we can just unplug it. We need this speaker out of the way to gain access to the plug for the wing mirror, which is actually right here, and it's going to be easier if we remove this mounting tab. All you have to do is squeeze this together and then push it inside the door, and then reaching up in the speaker hole we can pull out the plug for the wing mirror. All we need to do is unplug this, and every time I've unplugged these seem fairly tight. With the door closed, we can now start removing the wing mirror. And to do that, we first want to swing it towards the front of the car. Then as you can see, we've got access to 1 screw here. Make sure you choose the right Phillips screwdriver to go in this, as these round really easily. Apply a lot of downwards pressure and just loosen that screw off. Don't undo this all the way just yet. Grab the wing mirror and swing it the other way. So now we can see the other screw, the same on this one, a lot of downward pressure. Once that screw is fully out, we can carefully swing the wing mirror back round and fully remove the other bolt. Once they're both loose from the door, we can remove the wing mirror and carefully pull the wiring out of the door. It's a bit tight when it gets to the plug, and the wing mirror is out. So that is how to remove a wing mirror from your Mark II or 2.5. If you learned anything, drop it down in the comments below. As per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.